Hello, my name is Jessica. Want to make your teeth stronger without harsh treatments or chemicals? You might be surprised to learn that there are a few easy, natural ways to help strengthen your teeth. Read on to discover how to make your teeth stronger naturally. The food you eat can have a big impact on the health of your teeth, so choose wisely. Calcium-rich foods like cheese, low-fat yogurt, and almonds can actually help make teeth and bones stronger. Vitamin C-rich foods such as citrus fruits, bell peppers, and kale also play a role in supporting healthy teeth and gums, as does eating crunchy fruits and veggies like apples, carrots, and celery. Good dental hygiene is essential for strong teeth, so make sure you brush your teeth twice a day for 2 minutes each time, and floss at least once a day. Make sure to use a soft bristle toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste, and replace your toothbrush every 3-4 months to avoid bacteria buildup. Oil pulling is an ancient Ayurvedic technique that has been used for centuries to restore oral health. The practice involves swishing coconut, sesame, or sunflower oil in your mouth for 15-20 minutes, allowing it to draw out impurities and bacteria. Doing oil pulling just once or twice a week can help improve the health of your teeth and gums. If you play sports or participate in other physical activities, wearing a mouthguard can help protect your teeth from damage. Talk to your dentist to find out which type of mouthguard is best for you. You can also get custom-fit mouthguards from your dentist. Making your teeth stronger doesn't have to mean harsh treatments or chemicals. Eating healthy foods, practicing good dental hygiene, oil pulling, and wearing a mouthguard can all help you naturally strengthen your teeth and gums. If you want to learn more how to make your teeth and gums stronger naturally, please click on the link in description. Thank you.